Welcome back, viewers. Viewers, you can see these are these dry seeds of strawberry, and I was thinking to show you how to extract the strawberry seed by peeling off the skin and drying the skin and then extracting the seed. But all the strawberry was eaten and some was used to make milkshake, and what was left is this, and this was left in the blender after blending. So I took it and dried it for 3 days, and now I am going to plant these seeds and see if these seeds can grow. So I am going to use this 4-inch pot, and there is a cocoa peat in it, and just sprinkle the seed on cocoa peat, and I'm going to plant all the seeds, and I am going to cover the seeds with the same medium cocoa peat. The medium is very lightweight and seeds are also very small, so they will germinate very easily. These seeds need some direct sunlight, so place the pot in the area where the pot can get some 1 hour of direct sunlight. The medium is already moist and I don't need to water it. Just keep the pot wet. So stay with us for the result. So viewers, you can see after 30 days some seeds have germinated, and this is the result of 44 days. You can see the germination rate. If you like the video, like and share and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening.